guys, so today we will talk about Tagalog questions and we will start with ano, or in English it's what. Okay, so I'll be giving some examples, but first let's talk about the sentence pattern. Okay, so the sentence pattern for ano questions or WH questions is ano plus ang plus the noun if we're using a noun, or if we're using an adjective or verb, plus location or time if there's a location or time in the sentence. Okay, so the noun, the adjective, and the verb comes after ang. So there's always ang in the question. So for example, first question is we will use a noun. Okay, so anong alaga mong hayop or anong alaga mong hayop. So anong is short form of ano ang. Alaga is pet and mo is your, and then hayop is animal. So what animal or pet animal do you have? Or what pet do you have? Okay. So next is using an adjective. So anong pinakamagandang lugar sa bansa mo? So again, anong is ano ang, pinaka is most, lugar or maganda is beautiful, lugar is place, sa bansa mo is in your country. So, in English, it means what is the most beautiful place in your country? Okay, so next question is anong or ano ang iluluto mo mamaya? Anong iluluto mo mamaya? So, what are you going to cook later? So, for ano questions, we will always use an object-focused verb. So those are in verb, e-verb, and adverb. So we will talk about that on the next coming lessons, and we have a separate lesson for that. Okay, so I'll be showing you some ano questions examples on the next slide. Tagalog questions using ano. First commonly asked question is ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? You can also shorten to anong pangalan mo or anong pangalan mo. So in English, it means what is your name or what's your name. To answer this, you can say, ang pangalan ko ay Eriza. Ang pangalan ko ay Eriza. You can also say, Eriza ang pangalan ko. Eriza ang pangalan ko. So in English, it means my name is Eriza. Another way to say this is ako ay si Eriza or ako ay si Eriza. Si Eriza ako. Si Eriza ako. In English, it means I am Eriza. Another ano question is anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? So it means what do you like or what do you want? So you can answer this by saying gusto ko or gusto kong kumain ng kanin at kare-kare. Gusto kong kumain ng kanin at kare-kare. In English, it means I want to eat rice and kare-kare. Another question is, anong kailangan mo? Anong kailangan mo? Or in English, it means, what do you need? So you can answer this by saying, kailangan ko ng plato, kutsara, at tinidor. Kailangan ko ng plato, kutsara, at tinidor. Sa English, or in English, it means I need a plate, spoon, and fork. Another question is, anong almusal mo? Anong almusal mo? So in English, it means, what's your breakfast? Or what do you have for breakfast? So you can answer this by saying, itlog at tinapay ang almusal ko. Itlog at tinapay ang almusal ko. In English, I had eggs and bread for breakfast. Another way to say this is, kumain ako ng itlog at tinapay sa almusal. In English, it means I ate eggs and bread for breakfast. Another question is, anong oras na? Anong oras na? In English, it means, what time is it? So you can answer it by saying, alas 11 na. Alas 11 na. So it's a Spanish number. It's already 11 o'clock. Next is, anong gagawin mo mamaya? Anong gagawin mo mamaya? In English, it means, what are you going to do later? Or what will you do later? So you can answer this by saying, pupunta ako sa palengke mamaya. Pupunta ako sa palengke mamaya. Or in English, I will go to the market later. Next question is, anong pinaka magandang lugar sa Pilipinas? Anong pinakamagandang lugar sa Pilipinas? So in English, it means, what's the most beautiful place in the Philippines? Or, what is the best place in the Philippines? So you can answer it by saying, para sa akin,
Palawan ang pinakamaganda. Para sa akin, Palawan ang pinakamaganda. In English, for me, Palawan is the best or most beautiful place.